Now, your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
All right, hey, welcome back in. Just getting the cold weather advisory information in first before we dive into futurecast here in just a moment. The cold weather advisory is for everybody until noon tomorrow for wind chill temperatures that are likely to be below zero. We're going to have single-digit air temperatures, so frostbite within 30 minutes is going to be a possibility on uncovered skin, and this is all before the snow likely even begins. We really don't warm up much this weekend, especially across the bluegrass. As we roll into the overnight tonight, here's your chances for wind chills down near and below zero. Even all the way into southeastern Kentucky, some single-digit wind chills are there. That's why the cold weather advisory goes that far. As we get into Saturday afternoon, we are going to have that bit of a battle zone of warmer temperatures, just slightly anyway, to our south and east to keep them up with their wind chills into Sunday. Look at the spread here as we go into Sunday afternoon, though. A lot of us hang on those single-digit wind chills. That is a theme we're going to see a lot more even after this storm comes through and moves into next week. Now, here is the storm currently. You see rain, freezing rain, sleet, and snow all across Texas and Oklahoma, and then further into the Central Plains. This is the whole mess that is going to be working towards us. It's still a good few states away, so we've got at least half of the day tomorrow, I think, before it fully gets here. The mark of this storm is going to leave quite the impact across the U.S. This is likely a storm that you'll remember well into the next couple of decades, most likely, because the winter storm warning just scratches the surface. Saturday, 7 a.m. to Monday at 7 a.m., that warning is going to be in place. Roads that could become impassable at times. Heavy snowfall, totals north of a foot for some. Cold temperatures, which we're going to experience right away tomorrow, last much of next week. Ice and power outages are definitely on the table, especially as we look towards the south and east. Now, precipitation types, slight tweak to this. We showed you this yesterday as well. Snow, sleet, ice, freezing rain, and rain through southeastern Kentucky, especially like that inside county line or two as we get into southeastern Kentucky. The chance for that wintry, icy mess to mix in with the snow gradually decreases a little bit. More so sleet in this zone for a brief period on Sunday, mostly snow to the north throughout the entirety of the event. I'll show you on Futurecast what that looks like so you can get a better idea, but Saturday, snow for everybody, heavy at times. Saturday night, some ice starts to mix in into our south. Rain, ice, freezing rain, sleet, they all mix in even into the central part of Kentucky throughout the day on Sunday. Goes back to snow on Monday, and it will be very cold from there on out. Kind of a two-part system working in, but the start of it all for central and eastern Kentucky is likely to be early to mid, maybe even late afternoon. We're looking at that 1 to 5 p.m. time for Lexington. Further to the west and maybe through south central Kentucky, possibly a few hours earlier. This is going to sort of be crawling in sort of along this orientation. The big thing is dry air underneath. As radar starts to look like it could be snowing is what's going to make it difficult for snow to start. Once it goes, the floodgates are open for us as we roll through. Look at this, the timing. Noon on Futurecast, still out in western Kentucky, but it overtakes quickly, waiting for just this part to saturate the entire atmosphere to get all that snow to come in. Nonetheless, it stays heavy snow for us. I mean, look at some of these dark blues that are showing up through Saturday night. Already seeing, though, that warmer air lift north where the clouds are going to be fighting for freezing and maybe even losing that battle at times, but the surface is likely to be below freezing. So sleet falls, freezing rain possibility begins, especially where you see these greens lining up. This is 11 a.m. on Sunday. Notice how these pinks stay right through central Kentucky through the majority of this system, and then it tries to turn back to snow. We could do a flip-flop thing throughout the entire day on Sunday through central Kentucky as the colder air fights the warmer air trying to work in. By Monday, we're talking about some lighter snow finishing off by the late afternoon for eastern Kentucky, and then the system is done, and it's all about the cold after that. These are our latest snowfall totals and sleet potential. 8 to 12 in the pink, the darker pink, north of a foot. We've got 4 to 8 and 2 to 4 further to the south and east because ice and that freezing rain potential is going to greatly cut into the totals, and there's going to be a sharp cutoff somewhere in this zone where some folks in northern parts of the county could see 8 inches, and in the southern part, maybe 3 to 4. It's going to be that kind of cutoff for us as we roll through it because they'll replace it with a quarter to maybe even a half an inch of ice, and that's ice that actually accumulates. So overall, rain amounts could be a little bit more than that. The amount that sticks, freezes, and holds together, up to 1/2 of an inch. That could start to do some damage for us in terms of our power lines and trees. Looking at the 7-day forecast, cold all next week. Another chance for some snow, maybe Wednesday, Thursday.